Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to register an account for Canva on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer and also have access to a web browser that we will be using to access the online web application. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go around to the dock. Go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, now let's go to Canva via a Google search. Visual Suite for everyone, Canva. Let's now click on sign up. We can then log in or sign up in seconds through Google, Facebook, or continue with email is what we will now do. So let's type in my work email address. Rayhan at ComputerScienceVideos.com. Click on continue. The name will be Computer Science Videos. Continue, and a code was sent to my inbox. Take that code, go back to Canva, paste that code in, and we now have signed up for an account on Canva. We are then able to start editing for our portfolio. And then we are given a question on screen that says, what will you be using Canva for? Are you a student, non-profit or charity, a teacher, personal, small business? We are a small business. Click on this. We can start the free trial. Let's just click on maybe later. You can opt in to have recommended content. Let's just click on opt in. And there we go. We are now ready to start creating, producing content for our business via Canva. So we can now quit Safari. So that's for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.